Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to SharePoint Online with Microsoft Graph, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to SharePoint Online with Microsoft Graph, start by registering your application in the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure portal and log in with your organizational account. In the left-hand menu, select Azure Active Directory. Then, click on App Registrations. Click on the Provide a name for your application. For the redirect URI, choose web and enter a URL like https://localhost. Click the Register button to create your app. Once the app is registered, note the application client ID displayed on the overview page. Next, click on Certificates and Secrets in the left menu. Under the Client Secrets section, click New Client Secret. Add a description. Click Add and make sure to copy the secret value shown. Now, go to the API Permissions section in the left menu. Click on Add a Permission. Select Microsoft Graph. Choose Delegated Permissions and search for required Add permissions like Sites Read All and Sites.Read Write All. After adding permissions, click the Grant Admin Consent button. Then, navigate to your development environment. Install the Microsoft Authentication Library, MSAL, for your programming language. For JavaScript, use the command npm install at Azure/XAL browser. Initialize MSAL in your application code. Configure MSAL with your application ID, redirect URI, and authority. Use the Acquire Token Silent method to obtain an access token silently. If silent acquisition fails, implement an interactive login using login pop-up or login redirect. Once authenticated, store the access token securely for future API calls. You can now make requests to Microsoft Graph API using your access token. For SharePoint Online, use the appropriate API endpoint. Always handle token expiration and renewal in your application. Congratulations! You're now authenticated to SharePoint Online using Microsoft Graph. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.